quick review on the Wayfinder GoPlay RLS 26 RLS. This is the dining section. We do these reviews in pieces. The table is removable. Those legs do come out. Those posts do come out. So I am ripping out the dining room to put in the desk, the office desk that I've been using, gosh, since I lived in my old Winnebago. You'll like it. The office desk was custom built for the Winnebago slide. It fit right in the slide. This is a standard slide. I've already measured. It'll fit great and it'll hold the weight. And these things look pretty easy to take out. Just a few screws apparently. Hopefully they're not glued down too. And I'll show you the progress periodically. All right, in the middle of pulling the benches out. Fortunately, they are not glued down. That would have been a pain in the butt. They're just screwed down. All right, here we are. No more dining set. Let's see if we can get wide. There we go. Hey. All right, take a break, and then I will put in the desk. Here we are. The desk is in. I have not bolted it to the floor, not screwed it to the walls or anything. I'm going to keep it loose because I'm not moving anywhere. This thing won't be driving much. But I did have to reinforce it. There were some pieces on it that got broken during the previous 3 disassemblies and reassemblies. But there it is. That's the desk that was in my Winnebago motorhome, custom built for it. Apparently this slide out is a little bit larger, so I've got some extra room there for cables, trash can, whatever. That's it. Good fit. There we go. Don't have my chair yet. I'm picking that up today. There's the desk. Monitor. That big empty space right there is where my Mac tower used to go back when I had a giant Macintosh tower. Now it's the Mac Mini. So here we are. The desk is in and usable. Everything's plugged in. It's not perfect. It doesn't look as clean as I'd like it. I have some wire routing to do, some cable management, if you will. That's it.